Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then radio contrast media. In the radio contrast media, the radio contrast media which are used for anti-thyroid drugs are actually fast acting. These drugs include iodipate and we have hyponic acid. So how does they act? The main mechanism of action is they inhibit the organification of the thyroid hormones. That is, it inhibits the uh, conversion of MIT-DIT with thyroglobulin, and organification is inhibited by this radio contrast media like iodipate and hypanoic acid. The main side effect of this radio contrast media is it can result in hypersensitivity is the main problem in radio contrast media.
thank you and thank you for watching.